Okay, students. This one, yeah, computer memory and output unit. Yeah, still about know your computer, yeah. And here, students, like usually, before we continue to the next slide, please finish your typing until box or lesson 12. Yeah, it means last Thursday in here 10 ya, 10. So let's see your progress ya, kid. Coba kita progress kalian until box number what we have finished. This is your class. Okay, under 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, already finished under review 2 ya. Okay, Ataya already also. Apram. Okay, Apram, can you hear me? Please respond about this Apram. What?
Nggak tahu, Sir. Tadi tiba-tiba kayak gitu. Mau ngerjain yang nomor yang setengah ini, Sir, tapi malah ke nomor 11, Sir.
Okay, this is number 7, Apram. Box number 7 atau lesson 7. Di sini langsung kamu skip to this one. Padahal kita sampai 10 ya. You use laptop, Apram?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I think if you use laptop, no have problem ya. But if you use handphone or Android, maybe have problem like black screen ya. Screennya black. But if you use laptop, I think you don't have problem with this. Okay, Apram, later you can try again ya.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Apram, not yet ya. Ben, complete ya. Okay. Ryan Teopan. Teresa, do you see Brian? Join ya. Oke, Karisa Nomi complete. Claudia. Darrell, do you see Claudia? I don't see also Claudia. Okay, Darrell, do you see the screen? This one? Darrell?
Yes, sir.
Number 5, you need 5 boxes more to complete your assignment. Why don't you do Darrell until here? What problem? Darrell, can give me reason? Ya, students, ini ada penilaian sendiri bagi saya. Ya, jadi assignment ini you do ya, kid. Jangan tidak dikerjakan. Ya, ini salah satu program guru komputer. All grade. You can ask your little sister or your little brother. Grade 1 also have 2, 3 ya. Have like this one. Programming ya, typing program. David, okay, beginner finish complete ya. Now you are in intermediate. Good. Gogo, can you respond this one? What happened with you, Gogo?
Nggak sempat, sir.
Wow. Why you say nggak sempat? You have many assignment, Gogo?
Yes.
What? Why the other student can? Like Jessica, Kenjo, David, Karisa, Naomi. You are student also, Gogo.
I don't know, sir.
Gogo, I believe you have time, you have chance, you can do it if you want. Lain cerita kalau ada problem mungkin dengan laptop atau handphone, ya. Google, next week, can I see this box green all until here? This one 12 Q, Y, and P key.
Okay.
Okay, promise ya. Next Thursday, we see together this one. Already green ya,
Okay,
kids.
sir.
Okay, I believe, ya, you can do it. If you do, ya, don't wait until tomorrow what you can do today, ya, itu prinsipnya. Jadi kerjakan terus. If you have time, if you have computer, if you have laptop, kerjakan. Bahkan Gogo ada yang student itu yang tidak punya laptop, ketika ada laptop punya dedinya, punya sisternya atau brothernya, nah langsung dia pinjam, kerjakannya semua. Nah, itulah kesungguhannya tadi. Ya. Oke. Jessica complete, Kenzo complete, ya. Karen just now already join. Karen. Can you respond? In. Show me your video. Karen also. Yeah, Karen, why still 2 box you have done? Coba respon ya, Kid. When I ask you, please give me response. Brian Teopan, show me your video. Yeah, Brian, you also. You see the screen, Brian? Only one, Brian. You don't do. Kamu nggak kerjain, Brian?
I did, sir, but it didn't work. I couldn't press anything, sir. I tried on other phone, it also didn't work.
Okay, Brian, do you have laptop or computer at home?
No, sir, but I'm planning to buy one.
Have one?
No, sir, I don't have one.
Oh, you don't have computer or laptop, yeah? Okay, Brian, if you don't have computer or laptop, yeah, I know, ya, saya maklumin, I understand, but you can skip. Yeah, I know with handphone, Android or smartphone, you cannot continue until finish the box 1, yeah, because head screen, black screen, yeah, that's right, Brian. The screen is black. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Every time I do it, my phone keeps turning off for some reason.
If like that, Brian, but I hope you can continue to the next step. Yeah, you can start the next. You can skip the black one. You can continue to the next. This is the letter Z, F, and space. Yeah, you can continue this U, R, and key and K key. Jadi skip aja yang G, J, F, and space. You skip and then go to this one. So you can do maybe half, separuhnya bisa dikerjakan. Ya, Sir Juan will give point also ya pada student yang belum punya laptop or computer. I understand. In where is Kin? Just now I see Kin. Out. Karen, you want to speak, Karen? Where are you? Oh, elliptical 16. Who is this? Elliptical 16. Still, let's get login. Mike. Oh, Mike never joined. Salsali. Okay, good. Salsali. 18. Teresa. Lovely. Do you see Teresa? No, yeah. Oh, this is Teresa. Hi, Teresa. Please show me your video. I want to see you. Long time not see you, Teresa. Teresa, can you hear me? Or my voice too slow? Okay, no respond, Teresa. Okay, student, if you don't have respon, kalau nggak direspon, ya saya anggap tidak join ya, tidak hadir ya. Okay, Vincent ready ya. Oh, one more. Oh, Vincent not join this one. 20. Yolanda. Yolanda not yet login. Josefa good. Josefa. Yeah, like this one ya. Josefa already advanced. Josefa. Okay, students. So for the students have complete until 10, lesson 10, I will give point later after Zoom. Yeah, I don't give now. Now because we want to continue our lesson. I will give after Zoom. You will receive 5 points. Yeah. Okay, student. Do you know who is this Nebula Sarti?
Jessica, sir.
Jessica, this one. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this one we will study about computer memory and output unit. Continue. Okay, student, this one. Yeah, computer memory is basically of 2 types. Yeah, I hope you remember this one, kid. Yeah, because most people have something wrong. Ada kesalahan sedikit di sini. Banyak siswa yang lalai atau I don't know, mungkin forget or mungkin juga terjebak ya. When have the question, ketika ada pertanyaan, computer memory have 2 types. When I ask what are they answer RAM and ROM. Actually, the answer is primary memory and secondary memory. Kenjo? Do you understand, Kenjo?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If I have question for you, Kenjo, how many types of computer memory?
Pada part, sir.
Yeah. Have 2 types. Okay.
VPI mati, sir. Jadi paket tadi agak macet-macet.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, this one ya, kid. So the answer is primary and secondary memory. But if have the next question, yeah, computer memory, yeah, have 2 type, internal or primary, and external or secondary memory. If have the question in primary memory, yeah, how many types in primary memory? You can answer 2 types also. But what are they? You can say RAM and ROM. Ya, jadi random access memory, RAM, ROM itu random read only memory. Jadi ini sama-sama di primary memory or internal memory. Oh ya, this is also important, kid. Ya, primary and internal itu same ya. Ya. But if external and secondary itu same. Ya, some student or some people ya. Some people say external memory, but some people also say secondary memory. Ya, it is okay ya. You must understand. Jadi jangan bingung. Oh, that is my external memory. Jadi external memory itu sama dengan secondary memory. Okay. Here have the example. Ya, external and secondary memory like hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive, and memory card. Ya, itu the example of secondary or external memory. Ya, students, internal or primary memory, kalau Serjuan tanya, tempatnya ini di mana? RAM on ROM. In where you put primary and memory?
Di dalam komputer, Sir.
Di dalam komputer. Lebih tepatnya kita bilang apa? Di dalam yang kemarin kita pelajari last Thursday. What about Salsalina? Just now you have answer. When I ask what about we have studied last Thursday. You say about
CPU, Sir.
CPU ya.
CPU.
Jadi di dalam CPU dia ya, Central Processing Unit. In there have motherboard ya, motherboardnya di situ ada, dan disitulah nanti ada RAM and ROM. Later we can see ya how the form atau shape, bagaimana bentuk RAM dan ROM ya. Jadi di dalam dia ditempelkan di motherboard, dan juga motherboard itu ada di dalam CPU, Central Processing Unit. Okay. Okay, student, this one you see here, you see the screen. Ya, primary memory, ya, the basic requirement of a computer. Jadi adalah dasar kebutuhan daripada sebuah komputer. Primary memory store two type programs. Jadi ada dua yang di store atau yang di save, disimpan. System software and also application software. Ya, Kit. Main, ya, ini lagi bahasa yang baru, Kit. Tadi primary memory itu we can say also with what? Dengan apa tadi yang bisa kita sebut primary itu?
Internal memory, Sir.
Iya, good Salsalina. Internal memory, primary memory. Now have one more. We can say also primary itu adalah main. What in bahasa main?
Memo, Sir.
Main itu bukan memo. Main
Utama,
itu
Sir.
utama.
Yang
Ya,
utama.
utama. Ya, utama. Jadi main itu utama. Main idea. When you study bahasa Indonesia, have the question, yeah, you can read the complete, yeah, you read the text or paragraph, have the question, what is the main idea of the paragraph? You ever get that question?
Reverse.
Ya, ever ya. Kenjo, pernah ya? Oke, main or primary memory. Jadi main itu memori utama, memiliki two types. RAM yaitu random access memory and ROM read only memory. You can see it here. This is this is RAM. Inilah random access memory kit. Or this one.
Sir,
Yes, Kenjo.
kalau kita mau rakit komputer, Sir, kayak gini juga ada nanti kan, Sir?
Oh yes, of course, Kenjo. Ya, boleh kamu beli komputer, boleh yang langsung sudah ada.
Tapi nggak pandai, Sir.
Ya, kalau ini ada lebih dalamnya, you can study deeply, lebih dalam lagi tentang teknisi komputer ya. Ini akan dipelajari semua, teknisi komputer. Ya, kita kan sekarang sebagai user, kita user aja. Do you know user?
Ya, Sir. Memakai.
Iya, pengguna aja kita, pemakai, pengguna aja. Later kalau kamu mau mungkin tuh bisa study, bisa kamu pilih jurusan apakah bagian teknisinya atau lain sebagainya, ini akan lebih dalam dipelajari ya. Jadi kita di sini just pengenalan ya, supaya tahu oh ini namanya RAM, random access memory, like this one also ya Kenzo, dan di sini this one Ini cara meletakkannya ya. Ya, jadi dia berdiri, Kid. Berdiri. Bukan seperti ini ya, Kid, tapi berdiri like this one. Ya, ditempelkan di sini. Ya, di sini ini yang paling bagian bawah ini, bagian bawah ada gold ya, kuningannya ini. Bagian bawah di sini ditempelkan dan sini pengaitnya atau kuncinya pengait. Ketika ini akan ditekan, maka kuncinya akan tegak lurus dan mengikat atau mengunci. This is random access memory. Ya, RAM-nya ya.
Biasanya rakit komputer berapa lama, Sir?
Oh, according to the person. Tergantung orangnya, Enzo. Kalau kamu sudah ada bahan-bahannya, ya I have that. Kalau ada bahan-bahannya lengkap, ya tinggal kita punya motherboard. Motherboardnya masukkan RAM-nya, masukkan ROM-nya, and then kita ikat ke motherboardnya, pasang di casing, pasang nanti NIS-nya atau modem internalnya kita masukkan. Ya, saya kira I think ya bagi yang sudah expert itu 1 jam 2 jam selesai merakit. Kalau sudah ada alat-alatnya ya Kenzo, kita bukan membuat, we don't make, kita bukan membuat ini, tapi sudah ada, tinggal masukkan aja, merakitnya saja. Ya, itu maksud merakit tadi. Jadi yang di CPU. Ya,
Kalau RAM-nya itu jatuh gimana, Sir?
Oh, RAM-nya jatuh, ya kalau dia jatuhnya masih ke tempat yang kering ya mungkin tidak jadi masalah. Ya. Yang kita takutkan dia kalau basah atau apa, ya itu kadang bisa broken ya.
Sir, itu kalau bagian kuningannya itu lecet nggak bisa kan, Sir?
Itu itu sangat penting sekali. Ya, itu perlu dijaga. Kadang dibungkus pakai kertas ya, supaya to keep itu menjaga ya. Kadang di situ makanya komputer itu sometimes kita bisa lihat kadang nggak baca dia. Kenapa? Karena RAM-nya kadang rusak. Ganti RAM dulu. Ya. Ya most people ini kita kalau bahasa kita dibilang RAM ya, RAM-nya itu gimana gitu. Kita ganti, copot, masukkan RAM baru. Kalau you know the problem, your computer cannot run. Contohnya, your computer cannot run, nggak bisa berjalan, nggak bisa hidup, nggak bisa apa. Mungkin memorinya mungkin rusak, gitu ya. Atau RAM-nya, random access memorinya rusak. Kalau memang sudah tahu itu problemnya, you can buy only RAM. Kamu ambil, kamu masukkan. Bisa itu solusinya. Tapi apakah pasti kita tahu itu RAM-nya atau tidak? Ya, itu yang menjadi problem kadang. Oke, ini hanya pengenalan ya, this is RAM lah ya. RAM kita bilang random access memory. Kalau ini ROM, ya read only memory. This one, ini tempatnya ROM. Ya, dia have foot, dia punya kaki, ya punya kaki Kit. Dia pengait gitu punya kaki. Jadi dia kita letakkan di motherboard itu, dia seperti ini berdirinya. Kalau tadi yang ini, kuningan ini kita berdirikan, like this one ya. Oke, ini yang lebih jelas, this one, ya. Have this one students, ya ini diberdirikan di sini, lebih besar ya. Dan ini saya bilang tadi, kalau udah ditekan ini akan berdiri tegak seperti yang ini. Ini kan miring dia. Tegak. Jadi otomatis mengunci dia. Dan ini adalah ROM. Ya, you can read here ROM ya. Ini tempatnya banyak kaki-kakinya ini. Ya, tinggal kita colokkan ke situ ya. Ada tempatnya. Oke, itu tadi yang primary memory have to ya, Kit, RAM and ROM. Now secondary memory. Ya, ini secondary memory ya, I believe ini sudah tahu, sudah sering kita lihat. Kenapa sering kita lihat? Ya, because ini emang sering kita pegang, kita kantongi, kita bawa in bag atau di lain sebagainya. Dan ini posisinya di luar, not inside of CPU. Kalau tadi mungkin RAM and ROM, you don't know, ya, because RAM and ROM di position inside of CPU, di dalam CPU ya, jadi jarang dilihat. Tapi kalau seperti ini, I believe you know ya this one. Darrell, do you know this one? What is this?
Kaset, Sir.
Kaset. Yeah, what we say this? CD atau what stand for what? CD. Panjangannya apa, Kit?
Compact disk.
Iya, compact disk. Salah salin. Compact disc, ya, disc. Okay, what is this? Karisa Naomi? Okay, who knows?
Flash drive, sir.
Flash drive.
Flash
Okay,
drive.
flash drive. Okay, what is this one? Apa ini Kit namanya Kit? Ayo, I believe you don't know this one because you never.
Floppy disk, sir.
Oh, Salina, why do you know this? Huh?
I read from there, sir.
You read from
Bisa
here.
sir di atas sir.
Oh yeah, this one ya. Okay, but you ever this one directly? Ever see this one directly? Never. Pasti nggak pernah.
Never, sir.
Never ya.
Never, sir.
Never sir.
Never. Why? I believe that because you know, kid, this is floppy disk. I ever use this one when Sir Juan study. I think around 2000 years ya, in 2000 years. Tahun 2000 Sir Juan pernah pegang ini. You know, kid, this is too small the capacity, kid. Kapasitas ini sangat kecil, kid. Cuman sekitar berapa mega begitu. Kecil sekali, kid. Dan ini tidak digunakan lagi. Nggak mau lagi orang pakai ini, kid. Ya, dan ini ya sulit sekali ya sekarang. Bahkan mungkin tidak ada lagi karena terlalu kecil kapasitasnya dan tempatnya pun kita we don't have again in our computer CPU kita itu nggak ada lagi tempat untuk membuka ini. Ya, oke, this one, what is this, kid?
Hard disk, sir.
Hard disk, ya, hard disk same like this one ya. Ini yang terbuka. Dalam hard disk itu ada seperti ini piringannya juga ya, hard disk. Oke, student, ya, this is output unit. Ya, I believe also you have study about this one, output unit. Ya, this is monitor, the example of output unit ya, monitor. Ya, atau we say this one VDU. VDU itu stand for visual display unit ya, our monitor. And here ya, subcopy adalah information show on display this device or monitor. Ya, jadi kalau kita lihat ada aplikasi atau teks atau surat yang diketik di komputer dan masih dalam komputer belum terprint, itu namanya subcopy. Tapi kalau tadi yang ketikan kamu sudah kamu print pakai printer and you can touch that dan kamu bisa sentuh itu namanya hard copy. So I hope you please know this one, understand this one, what the different subcopy and hard copy ya, kid. Perbedaan hard copy dan soft copy ya. Ya. Okay, this is also I believe every student know ya, printer. Ya, to print. Jadi untuk ngeprint ya ini adalah use printer. This is nice printer ya. Okay, this one output unit also, this is nice projector ya. Ini projector. Why we say this is output unit, kid? Kenapa kita katakan juga ini output unit? Who can explain?
Karena dia ngeluarin gambar gitu, sir.
Karena dia mengeluarkan gambar dan juga bisa mengeluarkan suara nggak ini? Bisa nggak suaranya keluar?
No sir.
No. Okay. David, maybe some projector in this class ya. Ya, mungkin tergantung tipenya, tapi in this class ada juga projector yang sudah bisa mengeluarkan suaranya. Ada speakernya kecil. Jadi we can also hear the voice ya from here ya. Ada yang bisa ya. Oke, mungkin tergantung tipe dan jenisnya. Ini jelas. Ini jelas, kid. This one speaker. Ini for the sound ya, untuk mengeluarkan suara, speaker. Oke, students. Don't forget do your typing ya. Do your typing. Okay, now I want for the students, please remember what we have studied today. I want ask you Ya, later I give point for you ya. You have complete box until number 10 for typing. Later you get 5 point. Now I have question for you. Darrell, can you hear me, Darrell? Darrell, already 3 times. You cannot respond. Teresa, oh, no respond. Benny, okay, Benny Van Rafael. Hi, Benny, can you hear me?
Can, sir.
Okay, Ben. Please answer this, Ben. What picture is this, Ben?
Plus this.
Press this or press drive. You can also say press this or press drive, ya. Okay. Next. Karen. Can you hear me? Karen? Okay, 3 times you know respond. Carissa Naomi. Hi, Carissa.
Hi, sir.
Okay, Carissa, what is this?
CD, sir.
CD. Okay, that is CD. Okay, so easy, ya. Okay, next. Brian Teopan. Hi.
Yes.
Okay, Brian. The next, what is this, Brian? I count until 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, David.
Floppy disk, sir.
Floppy disk. Okay. Next. Gogo. Hi, Gogo.
Yes,
Gogo.
sir.
Okay, Gogo. Please watch the screen. I have question for you. Okay, CD. CD stand for what? Gogo. CD stand for blah, blah, blah. No, raise hand. Go first. Okay, I count until 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I see who is the first raise hand. Okay, Carissa Naomi.
Compact disc.
Compact disc. Okay. Vincent Colin. Na-join ya, Vincent?
Ada, sir.
Vincent, okay. Andar. Okay, 3 times. No response. In. Oh, no response. Mike, no join. Kenzo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kenzo, the next. What is this, Kenzo?
Apa tadi, sir? Lupa, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see who is the first. Salsalina.
Hard disk, sir.
Hard disk. Okay,